Hi Food Explorers, today I'm going to teach you all about how to prep your beet. Now you can steam them, you can boil them, but my favorite is roasting beets. So the first thing you want to do when you get these beets home is cut off the green stem, give yourself about 1/2 inch from the top, and you can cut off the tail as well. You want to store those separately because it can cause those greens to rot and go bad more quickly, and we want to keep those because we can eat those greens as well. You can have your big kids help with the slicing. The little kids can help with this next part. What you're gonna do is rinse this under cool running water until it's nice and clean. And then you can also have them help you fold it into a piece of aluminum foil. You're gonna take this beet, put it in the oven for about 40 to 60 minutes on 400 degrees. Now, if you have a bigger beet, it's gonna take you a little bit longer to roast it. How do you know when your beet is done? Well, it is soft and tender when you poke it with a fork. Let's check. This one looks pretty good to me. Next thing you do with your prepped beet is you open it up, and we're gonna use a paper towel to peel that skin. Now, sometimes people peel it before they roast it, but that's a little bit too much work for me. And also, it gets your fingers very stained. So you can see our beautiful beet. Let's take a bite. Earthy and super sweet. It's delicious. You're gonna love it. Come back later this week, or actually Monday, and we're gonna learn about beet pigment. And on Tuesday, we're gonna do an activity with beet pigment. See you then.